So here we have to evaluate x, students. So the question is that if p to the power 20, okay, square rooted by 4, and further the entire thing has got a root of 5, alright, and which is equal to p to the power x. So this x is what we are trying to evaluate. So let's get started. So since we have 4 here, okay, so let us go like this: p to the power 20, and this is 1 upon 4, alright, and over which we have the bigger root of 5. So here we will continue to write, okay, on the right hand side. So in the next step, what we get to see is p to the power 20 multiplied by 1 by 4. So when you cancel this, you are left with 5 here, and here, as I said, this is going to follow down. We get here, as a result of this cancellation, as p to the power 5, and we have 5 here already, correct? Taking you to the other side, we have to do the same thing that we did here, and we have p to the power 5 here, and this 5 comes to sit here, alright. Next step is to multiply these two powers. This is a rational exponent in terms of numerator and denominator, or p by q, and this is an integral exponent. Cancel this. Here we have p to the power x. Finally, what we get to see is this goes 1 times, so we have a power of 1 here, and we have p to the power x this side. Whenever the bases are same, alright, so we know that the powers must be, okay, comparable. So therefore what we see is that 1 is equal to x, or x is equal to 1. So students, this is the answer for x. So if you have understood, I'm really very glad, and in case you still have any doubt, do write to me in the comment section. And if you like the video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you, students. Have a great time. Thank you. Bye bye.